Hi, how are we doing? Nick from Beer-Gineers here. And next up for review, we have got a beer from the mighty Azvex over in Liverpool. And this is Reality Blizzard. So it's a West Coast IPA coming in at 6.5%. And on the back, it says it's brewed with Citra, Chinook and Strata. And it's got barley and wheat, no oats. Okay, first beer from Azvex I've had that doesn't have oats in. So it's a West Coast IPA. Now, neither myself nor my Beer-Gineers partner Emmett are massive fans of the West Coast style these days. We've sort of gone off it a bit because of that astringent bitterness, but occasionally from the better breweries you get a stonker sometimes. And you know, it's good to mix things up a bit. Just don't want constant succession on the channel of juicy New England styles. So, getting a nice aroma off that. So let's get into a glass and see what we got. So we don't see many beers, certainly not from my review, that look like that anyway. Look at that. As clear as anything. So that is a pale, clear beer. Bits of carbonation going up the glass. Quite bubbly. One finger of white head. Let's get the nose. Okay, so I'm getting the Citra, to be honest with you. I'm getting a lot of orange, a lot of grapefruit, bit of stone fruit in there as well. Not getting a lot of bitterness, not getting any dank. Interesting. Let's dive in. Chin chin. So the body is incredibly light. I think when you're used to drinking stuff with, you know, lots of oats in and wheat and that sort of stuff, so it's really, really light. So the body is like a lager basically. Up front, there's bits of fruit. There's not as much citrus and stone fruit on the taste as there is on the nose. And that fades to very gentle bitterness. It's not actually that bitter. Yeah, it's the bitterness is gentle. It's almost like a more heavily hopped lager. Maybe it's just because of the body. The body is just so light compared to what I'm used to. Quaffability is off the scale. Flavour-wise, it's nice. It's nice enough. It's not got that astringent bitterness that you associate with some West Coast IPAs. It's really, really drinkable, quaffable. You could smash pint after pint of that and you'd end up in trouble because obviously it's 6.5%. Oh well, just noticed the can art. Didn't really notice that at first. It's pretty cool, isn't it? Azvex can art is invariably superb. So, so it hasn't got the body that I like, hasn't got the mouthfeel that I like, you know, it's silky, smooth mouthfeel that you get with New England IPAs. You know, a bit more substance to them because of the oats and the water conditioning, that sort of thing. But this is a really, really good summer drinking beer. Very dangerous, in fact. You'd have no idea that's 6.5% at all. I actually think, Emmett, you'd like this because it's not that bitter. It's really, really drinkable. For me, I personally, I like a bit more body. I like a bit more fruit. It's got, like I say, it's got elements of stone fruit and citrus, but I like it in caps lock sort of thing. Whereas this is quite subtle. But it's really pleasant. Really, really smashable, really crushable, really drinkable. One of the most drinkable in terms of, you could just keep going. Beers that I've had in a long, long time. I'm going to give that a 7.5 out of 10, which is still very good. But I think other people, I think Emmett would actually rate this higher. And he'd be surprised, as am I, at just how drinkable this is. Honestly, you could just keep going and going and going. I'm nearly through it. Really left. Oh, dear. See, so I basically sculled it in, 6 minutes? Drink responsibly. Okay, so thanks for watching. Thumbs up if you like the video, thumbs down if you don't. If you've had this beer, let me know. And let me know if you think it's as totally crushable, drinkable, quaffable as I'm finding it. It really, really is. Well done, Azvex. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Cheers.